Welcome back to the course on content marketing. In this lecture, we will be discussing setting content marketing goals and objectives effectively. One of the keys to successful content marketing is setting clear and measurable goals and objectives. Your content marketing goals and objectives should align with your overall business goals and help you achieve specific outcomes, such as generating leads, increasing sales, or building brand awareness. Now, we'll be discussing the importance of setting clear and measurable goals in your content marketing efforts. First, having clear goals provides direction for your content marketing efforts. In addition, having clear goals increases accountability. Moreover, having clear goals improves decision-making. Furthermore, clear goals facilitate the measurement of content marketing success. Lastly, having clear goals supports data-driven optimization. First and foremost, having clear and measurable goals provides direction for your content marketing efforts. With specific and targeted objectives, you can stay focused on what's important and make sure your team is working towards a common purpose. In addition, clear and measurable goals increase accountability. By tracking your progress and holding yourself accountable for achieving your goals, you can stay motivated and ensure that your efforts are producing the desired results. Furthermore, having clear and measurable goals improves decision-making. When you know what you want to achieve, you can prioritize your efforts and make informed decisions about your content marketing strategy. Clear and measurable goals also facilitate measurement. By having specific targets, you can track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments to ensure that your content marketing efforts are always producing the desired results. Lastly, clear and measurable goals. By collecting and analyzing data, you can inform future decisions about content, distribution channels, and tactics, ensuring that your content marketing efforts are always optimized for success. Let's move to the different types of content marketing goals and how they fit into the customer journey. The first type of content marketing goal is awareness. The next type of content marketing goal is a consideration. Finally, we have decision-focused content marketing goals. The first type of content marketing goal is awareness. This type of goal focuses on introducing your brand to potential customers and building recognition and familiarity. The goal is to reach a wide audience and get them interested in your brand and what you have to offer. Examples of awareness goals include increasing website traffic, growing social media followers, and increasing brand mentions. The next type of content marketing goal is a consideration. This type of goal is focused on nurturing the relationship with potential customers and helping them learn more about your products and services. The goal is to provide them with valuable information that will help them make an informed decision about whether or not to purchase from you. Examples of consideration goals include generating leads, increasing email subscribers, and increasing page views on product pages. Finally, we have decision-focused content marketing goals. This type of goal is focused on guiding potential customers to make a purchase from your brand. The goal is to provide them with the information and motivation they need to make a decision and take action. Examples of decision goals include increasing sales, improving conversions, and increasing the average order value. In addition to the three main categories of content marketing goals, there are several subcategories that can help you achieve specific outcomes. These include brand awareness goals, lead generation goals, sales goals, customer engagement goals, customer retention goals, and public relations goals. The first subcategory of content marketing goals is brand awareness goals. These goals focus on increasing the visibility and credibility of your business. Examples of brand awareness goals include increasing website traffic, growing social media followers, and increasing brand mentions. The next subcategory of content marketing goals is lead generation goals. These goals focus on attracting potential customers to your business and encouraging them to sign up for your email list or request more information about your products or services. Examples of lead generation goals include increasing email subscribers, increasing form submissions, and increasing page views on landing pages. Another subcategory of content marketing goals is sales goals. These goals focus on increasing the number of products or services sold by your business. Examples of sales goals include increasing revenue, improving conversions, and increasing the average order value. The next subcategory of content marketing goals is customer engagement goals. These goals focus on building relationships with your customers and keeping them engaged with your business. Examples of customer engagement goals include increasing social media engagement, increasing the number of comments on blog posts, and increasing the number of emails opened and clicked. The fifth subcategory of content marketing goals is customer retention goals. These goals focus on keeping customers loyal to your business and reducing churn. Examples of customer retention goals include increasing customer lifetime value, reducing churn rate, and increasing customer satisfaction. Finally, we have public relations goals. These goals focus on building relationships with the media and promoting your business through earned media coverage. Examples of public relations goals include increasing the number of media mentions, being featured in industry publications, and being invited to speak at industry events. Setting clear and measurable goals is crucial for a successful content marketing campaign. These goals provide direction, increase accountability, improve decision-making, facilitate measurement, and support data-driven optimization. Understanding the different types of content marketing goals and how they fit into the customer journey is also essential for the success of your content marketing efforts. By focusing on awareness, consideration, and decision, you can guide potential customers through the journey and help them make informed decisions about your brand. By understanding the different subcategories of content marketing goals, you can refine your strategy and focus your efforts on achieving specific outcomes. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, or build relationships with your customers, there's a content marketing goal that can help you achieve your desired result.